Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pooja. In today's video, we are going to make immunity booster drink or kadha. Here is the list of ingredients. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what we need to do is take a pot, add 2 cups of water in it, add all the ingredients except honey and lemon and let it boil for 10 minutes. So while it is boiling, let's talk the ingredients. Turmeric. Did you know it is known as the golden spice of India? The medical use of turmeric dates to nearly 4000 years ago. It has antioxidative properties to fight free radicals in the body. It improves DNA health, and the list is too long to state here. Tulsi. Tulsi has vitamin C and zinc, which makes it a natural immunity booster. It has antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal properties which keep any health infection at bay. Do you know black pepper is rich in antioxidants? It prevents free radical damage to your cells. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which reduces the risk of arthritis, diabetes and cancer. Ginger or adrak not just adds great flavor to your food but is good for your health too. It reduces the risk of diabetes and cancer. It has anti-inflammatory properties that prevent cell damage, and it also helps in curbing morning sickness. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, which is necessary for the growth, development and repair of all body tissues. Honey has antioxidant effects and antibacterial properties. It helps in relieving coughs and cold. Jeera, ajwain and saunf increases your metabolism and improves your digestion. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Now enjoy your drink. Take care of yourself and your dear ones. Be kind to one another. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching.